5 mile. It's calling for like a 3.25 mile, but I don't know. I feel good. I feel like it's kind of underestimating like the shape I'm in. I think I'm all right. Oh, it is so cold out here. Hey Siri, what's the wind chill? 27. Ooh, it is biting. Yeah, it's pretty cold. It always warms up though. This jacket is dope. No air gets in at all. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Out here. That was a pretty easy run. 5 miles. It had me for a 3.25 mile at 8:44 mile pace. And I ended up doing a 5 mile at 8:42 mile pace or whatever. So it's actually pretty easy. It was really easy. I think my shin hurts. I think I have a shin swollen. But I can't really tell because growing up I always played sports, so honestly I never knew if I was feeling pain or not. It was just normal. Like football, like if you ask me, are you in pain? I'd say, yeah. But tonight seemed a little better on it, and actually after running, it feels better. And usually it feels worse. But that's it. That's it for tonight. That was cake. Gravy. And I don't know where everyone else is training right now. It's not out here with me. Alright, that's it. Peace out. I never.